I think this is like the first specialty coffee shop in Islamabad which serve Arabic, Turkish, filter coffee, and like a lot of flavors with Turkish.
Everyone like just feel like, oh man, like we feel like we are home now, and that's the feeling we missed also.
Different taste, something like different is not available here, and I think most of them who people who's in Pakistan, they used to go to Saudi Arabia for Umrah and Hajj, they miss the taste, Arabic coffee, they miss like this thing. When they came here, they like smell it, just they came for a smell. They said, yeah, this smell like Saudi Arabia. They remember us about Saudi Arabia, about Mecca, about Medina.
Our like Arabic coffee, Turkish coffee, we get it from there, from the origin. From the Arabic, we get it from our back home. We got the dates from our back from home. They send them to us. So also the Turkish coffee, we got it from Turkey. Our even normal espresso beans, we get it from abroad.
Who work with us, the barista, the helper, they use like, we was like looking for someone who worked before in Gulf.
So everyone was saying about this, like the locals over here, they are too much into chai. You know, they will not come to you. They will look for a chai, but no. Like almost half of our customers, they are local, they're from Pakistan.
People are coming again and again. We have a customer like they came 3 times in the day, some of them they came 4 times in the day.
We was not expecting that Arabic coffee will have this much like sale, and people are into it too much now. We are so happy about the response. It is very good, alhamdulillah, and we are just trying to make people understand more about the specialty coffee in Islamabad.